everybody and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a simple but comfy hat. Let's get started. For this project you will need a crochet hook, yarn, and scissors. I'm using a size J hook and a size 4 yarn. All the stitches I use in this video are demonstrated in my Crochet Basics video, which I will have linked in the description. To start, chain 3. Work 7 double crochets in each chain stitch. Slip stitch to close the row, then chain 2. Next, work 1 double crochet in the same stitch as your slip stitch. Then work 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Slip stitch to close the row, then chain 2. For row 3, work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around the circle, ending with a 2 double crochet block. Slip stitch to close the round, chain 2. For row 4, work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat this around the circle, ending with a 1 double crochet stitch. Slip stitch to close the round, chain 2. For row 5, work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat this around the circle, ending with a 1 double crochet stitch. Slip stitch to close the round, chain 2. For the next 3 rows, you'll add 1 extra double crochet stitch in between the 2 double crochet stitch blocks. So for the next row, you'll work 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches, then work a 2 double crochet stitch block, and so on. Continue until you have 6 individual double crochet stitches, or 8 rows. You'll simply be working 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. You can work as many rows as you need for your desired size hat, but for a standard adult hat, 7 rows should be enough. Remember to slip stitch and chain 2 at the end of each row. Now that we have the body of the hat, let's work on the brim. From row 8, chain 2 if you haven't already, then work 1 half double crochet in each stitch around, slip stitch to close the row, then chain 2. Repeat this for 4 more rows. Ultimately, the brim can be shorter or longer based on your preference, but for a standard hat, 5 rows is a solid sized brim. At the end of the 5th row, after the slip stitch, chain 1, then cast off. And now you've made a hat. I hope this video has helped you, and if you have anything or any project you'd like to see next, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and stay crafty.